Look at his ears. Chug, chug, chug. You can use the Toronto blanket to put them on.
The what?
The Toronto blanket. I don't think they'll be peeing.
What are you doing? I'm taping that.
Oops, you weren't even that done. I thought you were chugging that pretty fast. Look at that little milk mustache.
Take it back to her.
What kind of milk mustache? It's a boy. Hold on. I'm trying to think of who I did last. I did one of the twins, so grab either one. Huh? One of the twins, yeah. Cucumber.
I went away to college, and Barbara and George started looking for property in New York. Hi, George. I was paying Aunt was a huge change, and the
Is he
Barbara
falling
settled
asleep?
really well.
All done. Ready for a Barbie bird? You know they're done when they like start to sleep. Yeah, good boy.
First thing they did was hire a PR
Pretty boy.
Gone on page 6 of the New York Post a few times with their store.
And the PR